I'm Yoko. Today I'll be making chocolate chip cookie dough protein squares. These squares are so rich and chocolatey, and these are perfect for snack or after the workout. This recipe is no bake, so it's simple and easy to make. Also, it's plant-based and gluten-free. I hope you enjoy. So let's get cooking. In a food processor, I'm going to add half a cup of oats. The oats are going to be the base of this edible cookie dough. 6 mature dates. I'm just going to break in half and remove the seed. If your dates are dried and hard, soak them in the water for 5 minutes beforehand. I'm going to blend these before adding any other ingredients. I'm going to process these into fine pieces to achieve smooth cookie dough consistency. Now to this, let's add half a cup of cashew butter. Make sure to use creamy kind. 1/4 cup of protein powder. I'm using unflavored kind. You can also use vanilla flavored protein powder. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. You can skip this if you are using vanilla flavored protein powder. Dash of cinnamon powder. And a pinch of salt to enhance the sweetness. Now let's blend it up. The mixture should be thick dough-like consistency, forming a ball like this. So to this, I'm going to add half a cup of dark chocolate chips. The cookie dough mixture should be really thick. So I'm using my spatula to cut the dough into small pieces and trying to fold in the chocolate chips. Once chocolate chips are evenly distributed, let's transfer the mixture into a lined tray. This might look too clumsy at this point, but don't worry, I'm gonna place this into a slab of cookie dough. Using a bottom of a glass, I'm going to press down the dough, and also I'm going to use my fingers to press down the edge of the slab. Once it becomes nice and smooth, let's make the chocolate layer to cover the surface. I'm going to melt half a cup of dark chocolate and pour it to the surface of cookie dough slab. Smooth it out with the spatula and drop 2 tablespoons of cashew butter. Using a spoon, I'm gonna make it swirl. Once you're happy with your pattern, let's let it sit in the fridge for 30 minutes or until the chocolate layer is hardened. After that, your chocolate chip cookie dough is ready to be served. I'm gonna cut this into 8 pieces. These chocolate chip cookie dough squares are very rich, chocolatey, and crumbly. These are gonna be perfect for snack or play and post-workout. And for the extra garnish, I'm gonna top it off with flaky salt. Keep these in the fridge and enjoy in few days. My favorite way to enjoy these chocolate chip cookie dough squares is make it into cookie and cream dessert bowl. Add a few drops of yogurt in a bowl, and I'm gonna crumble in one of the cookie dough square. This is so creamy and rich. This is healthier version of vegan cookie and cream. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed the recipe, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye!